The harvest moon is one of the most enchanting full moons of the year. Occurring close to the autumnal equinox, it has a unique significance in various cultures. But what exactly makes this moon special? In this video, we'll explore the origins, meaning, and impact of the harvest moon. Get ready to dive into a celestial phenomenon that has guided farmers and fascinated stargazers for centuries. The harvest moon appears around the time of the autumnal equinox, typically in late September or early October. Unlike other full moons, the harvest moon rises almost immediately after sunset, creating a beautiful, prolonged period of moonlight. This extended light was historically crucial for farmers, as it allowed them extra time to bring in their crops during the critical harvest season. The name harvest moon originates from the extra light it provides, which helped farmers in the northern hemisphere during the busy harvesting period. Without modern machinery, farmers relied on this natural light to gather crops like corn, wheat, and squash. This moonlight extended their working hours, allowing them to make the most of the shorter autumn days. One of the most notable features of the harvest moon is its warm, golden glow. As the moon rises, its light passes through more of the Earth's atmosphere, giving it an orange or reddish hue. This makes the harvest moon particularly striking and memorable. It's also larger and brighter because it stays closer to the horizon for longer periods, giving us that magical feeling of a giant moon lighting up the night. The harvest moon's unusual brightness and timing are due to the angle of the moon's orbit around the Earth. During this period, the moon follows a path that causes it to rise soon after sunset for several nights in a row, creating a near-constant source of light in the early evening. This is different from other full moons, which rise roughly 50 minutes later each day. Beyond its agricultural importance, the harvest moon holds a special place in many cultures. In China, it's celebrated with the Mid-Autumn Festival, where families come together to give thanks for the harvest and enjoy mooncakes. In Native American traditions, the harvest moon was a signal for the changing of seasons, often associated with festivals and gatherings to prepare for winter. The harvest moon has also inspired a wealth of myths and folklore. Many believe it brings prosperity and good fortune, while others see it as a time for reflection and gratitude. In some legends, the moon is said to have mystical powers, influencing human behavior and emotions. Whether these stories hold truth or are simply the product of imagination, they add a layer of mystery to the already captivating harvest moon. If you're eager to catch a glimpse of the harvest moon, be sure to look for it just after sunset. It tends to stay visible for a longer period than most full moons, so you'll have plenty of time to appreciate its glow. Head out to a place with little light pollution, such as a park or a rural area, for the best view. Watching the harvest moon rise over the horizon is a breathtaking experience you won't want to miss. Astrologically, the harvest moon is often seen as a time of balance, renewal, and reflection. Because it coincides with the equinox, when day and night are nearly equal in length, it symbolizes a turning point. Many people take this time to set new intentions, let go of old habits, and prepare for the colder months ahead. For those attuned to the spiritual energy of the moon, it's a powerful moment of transformation. In modern times, the harvest moon is still admired by astronomers, photographers, and moon lovers alike. It's not just about the harvest anymore. People gather for moonlit picnics, night photography sessions, and stargazing events. The harvest moon has become a time to appreciate the beauty of nature, the rhythms of the earth, and our connection to the universe. For scientists, the harvest moon offers a chance to observe the moon's relationship with the earth and its atmosphere. Researchers can study how the moon's light interacts with particles in the air, causing the distinctive red or orange hues. This is also a great time for amateur astronomers to observe the moon's surface details more closely, thanks to its brightness. The harvest moon is much more than just a full moon. It's a symbol of change, abundance, and natural beauty. Whether you appreciate it for its historical importance, its cultural significance, or simply its breathtaking appearance, the harvest moon continues to captivate people around the world. So next time you see that glowing orb in the sky, take a moment to reflect on the wonders of our universe.